on methane emissions detection is there's 5, 6, 7 different ways to capture that data. There's satellites, there's IoT sensors on the ground, there's aerial surveys, there's drone surveys, a whole bunch of different ways. That data all comes in different formats. It's a really tricky technical problem to overlay all that data together. And so, Microsoft has said, hey, we're not going to like take on that whole process and that value chain or the tech stack of work. We're going to focus on how do we help people bring together that complex multimodal data, do it on the back of Azure and a couple other things that we do as Microsoft for energy, so that we can help our producers like the Devons of the world, as well as the Schlumbergers and other service companies of the world, to solve that really tricky technical piece in the middle, and then let all of the players who are acquiring data, either in-house as a producer or as a service provider, plug into that data aggregation and contextualization piece, and then let the producers and the Schlumbergers and others of the world do the value analytics on top of that and connect that into their overall emissions footprinting activities. So that's just one simple example. And I think the emissions detection conversation is so interesting because we do have satellite constellations being launched by NGOs who are going to start holding producers accountable and verifying their numbers and calling them out very publicly. And so there is a pretty short timeline to for folks to get their houses in order so that they can actually verify and certify that the numbers that they're reporting are actually true.